Review Headwolf FPad 3 Tablet. The FPad 3 is a resplendent touchscreen, boasting a remarkable high resolution and full lamination. Its 8.4-inch high-definition display dazzles with a breathtaking resolution of up to 1920x1200, presenting visuals in exquisite detail. With a golden 16:10 display ratio and an expansive IPS viewing angle of up to 178 degrees, this device ensures a truly immersive visual experience from any vantage point. Meticulously crafted with cutting-edge in-cell screen processing technology, the FPad 3 elevates brightness levels to an impressive 360 nits, resulting in enhanced display quality and a more impactful video performance. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer brilliance that this device delivers. Indulge in the cinematic splendor of the FPad 3 as it brings forth a 1080p Widevine 1 Lira experience. With Widevine 1 Lira support, this device grants you access to high-definition video playback across a staggering array of 30 renowned video applications worldwide. Moreover, the FPad 3 preserves the timeless convenience of a 3.5mm universal headphone jack, while its dual speakers and K-class amplifier work in perfect harmony to envelop you in an immersive audio journey akin to that of a grand cinema. Prepare to be transported to a realm of unparalleled audiovisual delight. Prepare for an unparalleled 8GB RAM experience with the FPad 3. This device adopts a unique 4GB plus 4GB memory structure design, ensuring optimal performance. When operating at full capacity with its 4GB running memory, it intelligently allocates an additional 8GB from the storage memory to support seamless device operation. Users can manually choose to expand by 2GB or 4GB. This intelligent allocation significantly enhances the device's running speed, delivering a smooth and efficient user experience. FPad 3 boasts an integrated 5500 mAh lithium cobalt acid battery, renowned for its remarkable capacity and enduring resilience. The material theme and UI customization have undergone significant improvements, allowing for a more personalized and visually appealing user experience. The system itself runs more smoothly, with optimizations specifically tailored for large-screen devices like tablets. Get ready to explore the full potential of your device with the enhanced application experience that Android 13 brings to the table. Capture life's precious moments with the FPad 3's high-definition front and rear cameras. These cameras are equipped with advanced hardware configurations, offering superior clarity and higher pixel counts compared to other devices in the same category. With these exceptional camera capabilities, you can effortlessly capture the beauty of life in stunning detail. The front camera boasts a 5MP resolution and supports various features such as face unlocking, video calls, and online learning. It ensures that your selfies and video calls are clear and vibrant, while also providing convenience and security. On the rear, the FPad 3 features a 13MP stacked camera with autofocus functionality. This powerful camera enables you to take high-quality photos and videos with ease. With features like background blurring, HDR, and panoramic shooting, you can unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking moments effortlessly. Additionally, the FPad 3 supports face unlock, providing a convenient and secure way to unlock your device. Say goodbye to traditional passwords and enjoy the seamless experience of unlocking your device with just your face. Whether you're exploring new places or navigating through familiar terrain, the FPad 3 ensures that you have access to multiple channels for navigation. This multi-channel navigation system enhances the accuracy of your positioning, allowing you to confidently navigate and reach your destination with ease. Say goodbye to getting lost and embrace the freedom of accurate and reliable navigation with the FPad 3. Dual box speakers and universal 3.5mm audio interface. Immerse yourself in high-quality audio with the FPad 3's dual box speakers. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or playing games, these speakers deliver rich and immersive sound. Additionally, the device features a universal 3.5mm audio interface, allowing you to connect your favorite headphones or external speakers for a personalized audio experience.